Hindi tayo pwede doon.
Good morning! So we are here in Malaga. Excursion Captivating Malaga. Ayan. Ayan.
Binbinito pala. Oo. Mas malinito binbinito.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
To introduce the driver, he's David. I am Patricia Paripart, as you prefer to call me. Okay? And we are at Malaga. Malaga is a big city. It's a population of 640,000 inhabitants. And over here to the right-hand side, you can see Mediterranean Sea. You know, Spain is divided by the strait. So from the strait to the east, we have Mediterranean, and towards the west, we have Atlantic Ocean. Now when we visit, what we are going to do this morning is first of all visit the cathedral, because today at 11 o'clock there is a coronation of the Virgin. So we have to do first, then we'll visit the Ara Fortress, Alcazaba, and at the very end of the tour we are going to the top of the hill where is a nice belvedere to see a very nice view. And we are going to be back on the boat 1:30 quarter to 2. That depends on the traffic. Here to the right-hand side of the beach, and is the same name that our bullring, Malagueta. And you can see here to the right-hand side a cheese restaurant located on the beach. The most common thing in our gastronomy is that the fish, a big variety, excellent quality that you can have in those chiringuitos, in those restaurant located on the beach. You can read here Malaga's letters, and it's the same that our building. So we are gonna visit first the cathedral, then the Ara Fortress, and meanwhile we are at the cathedral. David, the driver, have to pick up another group. It's high season, not a lot of coaches, buses. So
Pizzeria. Oh. Daming kainan, ang lapit lang sa port. Oh, ayun ang port. Oh, ang ganda ng dikulay na yun, no. Ang ganda ng park nila. Wow. Beautiful. Ay, ang ganda ng Malaga. Beautiful Malaga. Malaga, Spain. Yeah, hope you enjoy my video.
You have to switch this on, okay? Yours is red color, red button on the front on one side.
Oh. beautiful city of Malaga. Malaga, Spain.
Red color. 6. Number 6. Number 6.
Welcome to Malaga, Spain. Malaga is Spain.
Palm trees.
Oh, palm trees yan. Palm. Yan.
Magaganda mga babae dito.
Ay, oo. Mga Espanyol. Oh.
This is a little bit, the view is foggy.
Yeah. Wow.
Those are mimosa trees here to the left, but without flowers. Here there are some. And those are eucalyptus trees, original from Australia. And they have very long roots and spoil the outside often. We have to remain. And that house, for example, is Andalusian style. We use a lot
Wow.
of mixture of bricks and tiles. You see, for the letterbox.
Pagi. Malaga, Gibraltar.
Another big bus coming.
Rich lang ang nandi dito.
Oh. Expensive place.
Houses here for 100,000, 500. Houses that cost you 1 million.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
this area.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. Okay.
We have our party, our fair, and we do that week bullfights. Only 5 bullfights a year. Because the rest of the year, because not all Spaniards, we are agreeing with our national party. So, for example,
Can't hear you.
para la derecha.
Kaya mag-ano. Kasi parang tropical sila yun.
Tropical country.
Oo. Ito yung mga nabuhay dito. Meron sa atin.
Oo.
Controversy with the bullfight. For example, 3 months ago, there was a prize money, 40,000 euros, let's say, for the best bullfighter, and that has disappeared. You know, the Spanish Parliament abolished it because they vote no. Only a few people that because the race disappeared, and we use the bull ring like a stadium. It's on the beach. You can bring your own umbrella, or you can rent one.
Spaghetti.
Ando dito mismo sa sentro eh.
Oo.
It's not possible even to see your cruise. It's over there.
Yeah.
Here is very common to have sardines. We call it peto, bamboo stick, and we cook on the grill like a barbecue, but the instant meat is fish.
Yeah. gilid ka ng dagat.
Oh, gilid
And
ka
this is
ng
the back
dagat.
of the big hotel.
Yung
He was born in Malaga.
Oh. He was president ng ano.
Malagueño.
Yeah.
Malagueño. Parang ano.
This is a nice big ficus tree.
Ficus tree.
Yan, Kalesa.
Oh, na.
And that ferry, Balearia, goes there independent cities, Ceuta, Melilla. From Malaga to Africa, 5
Pero
hours.
pagi ano.
But from Cadiz to the president of France. It's a museum and interactive with very funny things,
Oh.
mobile things, children's
Bicolana yan.
labs. Salieron